Aloha, we're here at Pōhaku Lanai or Lanaikekane at Kaiaka Beach Park. The question is, whose kuleana is it to take care of these Hawaii special historic places? This is a wahi pana. It was known to be a lookout for fishermen. When fish were sighted, fishermen would beat it with a wooden mallet to make a hollow sound to signal to other fishermen to gather, and it is said to have floated from Kahiki. And if it is truly a Hawaii historic place that should be taken care of, whose kuleana is it to take care of it? On January 1, 1986, in Kawai Ola o Oha, they asked that the DLNR do a complete study and review of Pōhaku Lanai and include it in a list of Hawaii historic places. No article since then, but let's take a closer look to see how Pōhaku Lanai is doing. So we can see here old lei that's on the rock and all the string that when the lei dies, it's there, so it needs to be cleaned off, right? It's great that people put their lei on for respect. However, once the lei dies with those ribbons that are made of plastic, what happens to those things? Who's cleaning them off? And then somebody left money there. Don't leave money, guys. This is not a good luck rock. At the top, you can see there's weeds, there's haole koa, there's bushes. Getting a closer look of the bushes at the top, dead grass. More dead lei at the top of the rock. And then most disturbing was that somebody used Pōhaku Lanai as a cigarette ashtray to put out their butt of their cigarette, so I had to pick that up. And I saw somebody had dropped some old fabric, so that was the last thing I kind of cleaned up around the area along with that cigarette butt. And again, if this is a wahi pana, a special place, then whose kuleana is it to take care of Pōhaku Lanai or Lanaikekane? The last time I had visited, there was a tourist group and their child was climbing up on top, and there's no ropes. It's not roped off to say this is special, this place is sacred, nothing. What's your mana'o? Let me know.